So ba- basically, people today believe that women empowerment is something that is of very much importance. But then, according to me, there are always two sides to everything. So, where women empowerment should be supported by many people, there's a thing that we often miss, which is that there are many men who deserve to be, who deserve not to be neglected in the society. All men are not bad. There are many women also who make them bad, because if you give much exposure to a woman, I feel that they try to take advantage of it. After all these rape cases that have happened, and so many things that have been, issued about rape cases, that any girl, if she's touched also, then also she can report in the police station, and there'll be a complaint lodged against that boy. Many girls are taking advantage of such things, and they are using such things against the guys who are innocent. So rather than giving them so much of exposure and empowerment, I believe there should be a limit to everything. I'm not totally against women, that's obvious. But then I feel that there should be a proper limit set, that किसी extent, if things are going beyond limit, then only they should be reported, and then some strict action should be taken against them. ऐसे नहीं कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, कोई भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हो रही हैं और उसी के अगेंस्ट तुम कंप्लेन लॉन्च कर रहे हो और उसके अगेंस्ट लोगों के खिलाफ कुछ भी हो रहा है. This is not fair. And there are even many women, like बॉयफ्रेंड अगर छोड़ के चला गया, उसके अगेंस्ट कुछ करने के लिए पुलिस स्टेशन में जाके बोल देगी कि ही डिड दिस टू मी, तो आप उसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन लो, एंड उसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा बिकॉज द लॉ सेज सो. So where the law has been seeing many good things and doing many good things, it is bad for the society in a way. It's affecting those men who have not done anything, but then they are getting punished for basically not doing anything. इससे अच्छा तो वो कर ही लेते और फिर उनके अगेंस्ट कोई कंप्लेन लॉन्च होती, तो दैट वुड हैव बीन बेटर. So that is what my views are on women empowerment. I feel that a woman should do whatever she is capable of. आज women are very independent of doing whatever they can. They can do basically whatever they can. Men and women are no different things. So जो भी करना है वो अपने बलबूते पे करो. ये सब चीज़ें लॉ को यूज़ करके मेन के अगेंस्ट फिर ऊपर मत बढ़ो. जो तुम्हारी एबिलिटी है उससे करो जो भी तुमको करना है. देन ओनली दैट विल गिव यू मच सेटिस्फैक्शन, एंड देन ओनली यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. Using bad means and being successful in life will not take you anywhere.